Dopamine, norepinephrine, epinephrine. The dopamine, norepinephrine, epinephrine pathway is also called the catecholamine pathway. The amino acid precursors to this pathway are DLPA and tyrosine. Using DLPA is a bit of a softer precursor, where tyrosine is more direct. Dopamine is the primary neurochemical of reward. It is what helps us seek a job well done, a rewarding intimate relationship, and creative thought. Too little dopamine would have a person feel flat and lethargic, with little perception of life's rewards. Too much dopamine may make a person feel manic. Norepinephrine is what allows us to focus and to learn. Too little means a poor attention span, and too much means anxiety.